secure sovereign private application access. This time we got Cisco Secure Firewall, or we're going to enable EntraID MFA. Again, this is a quick one. All right, we are in Entra. We're going to go to Microsoft Entra ID. We'll go to Users. We will go to Per User MFA. And let's go ahead and enable MFA for these users. Go ahead and enable. And let's go ahead and connect. Log in as IT1. Throw in that password. And here we are, MFA. And once we accept that, we can go ahead and accept the message here. Finally, we'll get a message stating that we are connected to the IT dynamic access policy. And that's it, fully connected. Let's try it again, but we'll do it with a different user. Sales 1. Go ahead and log in. Go ahead and hit next. And this user doesn't have it. So we'll go ahead and go through the process of installing it, scan the code. Let's try it out. Authenticator added, done, and we are in. So fairly seamless with Entra ID as well. And you could add conditional access on top of that. And we all know that we can do this with Duo and maybe get a little bit more capabilities as well. There's the sales dynamic access policy message, and we are connected. Easy peasy.